Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the vlog. My name is Mark. Shit, didn't mean to do that. Anyways, today's episode is going to be about what is wrong with my cars. We got the Camaro here and the BMW. Now, one special thing about this is that it was hit and ran just a few weeks ago. Someone backed into it and didn't report it. So let's go check out the damage. So yes, as you can see, the door is pretty smashed in there. This, I can't open it from the outside. So it, on the plus side, it does open from the inside. All right, so, I mean, it doesn't look like a big deal, but it is. And let me tell you why. And I'll put this on screen so you can see it. But the estimate that we got, total adjustments, $2,323.78 for a dent in the door. That's not counting the rock that hit the windshield there, right in the perfect spot too. This windshield would be about $350. No, there's no freaking glass insurance. Just if it would have stopped right there, then that would have been like a $50 fix. But no, not that fortunate. It does suck, but I hope to get it fixed within the next month. Now let me go on to this BMW. What's wrong with it? Well, I've got a head gasket leak here. Unless I do it myself, the part's only $50, but I'm not brave enough to take on that nightmare. I already watched the tutorial video. So if I were to put it in a shop, that's about $750 to $1,000 just to fix the head gasket here. It's a bit ridiculous. Alright, so for what's wrong with the BMW, other than the head gasket, which is the most expensive fix, how do I know it's the head gasket? Well, it smells like hot oil in here right now. And if I open the hood after driving it, there's a little bit of smoke going on, so that there you go. So this is a small issue. I could probably do it sometime in the weekend, but winter's coming, so I'll have to put it in the garage to try to do this. My aux box fell in, and apparently it's a common issue with BMW. That's a free fix. I just need to stop being a procrastinator and do it. This speaker is blown out for some reason, so that doesn't work. Also, another common issue with BMWs, other than the gasket leak, is the handle freaking melts, and it's like you touch it and you get tar on your hands. But this, you can get an eBay part for $13, so that's a $13 fix. Fortunate to have these vehicles, but really unfortunate to have this many problems at one time. Say the gasket leak's the most important, but we really need to have a working driver. I mean, it works obviously, so I don't know. I'm either gonna put that in the shop first or this. Spin the car update. Now you know how much a hit and run can cost someone if you're a douche and drive off. Body work is expensive, and I'm not brave enough to try that just yet, but in time. What do you guys think? Have you ever experienced a hit and run, or do you know someone? It's not cheap. If you hit someone, just leave a freaking note, work it out, whether you're insured or not. Let me know, should I just sell both these cars or put the money into it and fix it. I mean, the BMW drives just fine, so Camaro drives just fine as well. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe for more awesome content, and as always, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.